Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the display area on your TV screen when you're playing on the PlayStation 4. So if it's not aligned correctly, it may be a little bit off when you're playing video games, or the UI might look like it's scrunched up in the middle. So what we could do is go to Settings and then go on down to where it says Sound and Screen right here and select this. Then go to Display Area Settings right here and select it. Applications will be displayed in the boxed area. Adjust the area to fit the TV display correctly. The setting is effective only for some applications, so we can press the D-pad up or D-pad down button, and we can shrink this display area or we can increase it. Just make sure it's on the edge of your TV and right there, and then press X, and this should be aligned correctly now. Then go back to your game and check it out. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.